Flooding continues to plague communities in parts of Bulacan, with some residents still stranded in their homes. Senator Lito Lapid is on the ground to check on affected families and bring much-needed relief. On the line is Micah Razon. Micah, what's the update and how's the situation there?
My flooded homes and roads greeted Senator Lito Lapid during his visit to Hagonoy and Kalumpit, Bulacan today. Lapid went to the two towns to check on residents who continue to deal with flooding, even without rain, and to distribute relief goods.
Ala akong masasabi kay Senator Lito Lapid. Bukod sa idol ko siya, talagang wala akong nakikitang mga ginagawa niyang mali.
Residents line up to receive the relief packages, while others took the opportunity to have their photos taken with the senator. Some residents said that they have long looked up to Lapid, not only as a senator but also as a former action star. To you, Mai.
Micah, kumusta ang sitwasyon dyan, particularly sa Kalumpit?
May maaraw dito ngayon sa Kalumpit, pero kahit maaraw, nananatiling lubog pa rin yung ibang kabahayan at kalsada. Ang sabi ng mga residente, ganun daw talaga sa kanila at nakasanayan na nila yon. Kaya sana yung mga flood control funds na nilalaan sa kanila ay sana mapakinabangan nila. May?
Micah, bukod sa Kalumpit, may iba pa bang pupuntahan dyan sa Bulacan si Senator Lapid para sa mga relief operations?
Bukod nga may sana puntahan niya ang Hagonoy at Kalumpit, ay babalik na daw si Senator Lapid sa Pampanga at sa susunod niyang bibisitahin ay ang Baguio para naman daw tulungan yung mga farmers na nalulugi na sa mga binebenta nilang gulay. May?
Maraming salamat, Micah Razon, nag-uulat.